Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll make this beautiful abstract painting with green and some teak wood color, and also mixed with some indigo paint of all our alcohol inks. And then I'll show you step by step on how to add this glitter gold leaf and making some doodle in between. So I'm making this painting outside, sitting on a bench, because it's risky to inhale fumes of alcohol ink if I do it inside the whole house. So let's start this painting. The scenery here is really beautiful and I love painting outdoors. And let's start with the green alcohol ink. I just lay down few drops and let it dry, and then I'm mixing two colors here. One is the teak wood color and the other one is indigo, so I'm making a mix of both. And just FYI, I'm using photo paper which I got from stationery stores. Photo paper, one side is glossy and the other side is not, so I'm using the one that is not glossy, which is very important for alcohol ink paintings. You could also do this on UPO paper if you could afford, but I just thought of practicing this in photo paper. So for the alcohol, I'm using 91% isopropyl alcohol. So once that green dots are dry, I'm adding a few drops of isopropyl alcohol, 91%. And I got this a hand pump, which I'll show you how to use it. So I'm laying down the color of a mix color of a teak wood and indigo that I mixed here, and I'm adding a few drops onto the paper with a brush. And I always make sure to dry when I add the drops, because when you add alcohol, when it's wet, it smudges everywhere and it flows through the paper. So let it dry for some time, and then I'm using the hand pump to direct the flow to however you want. Since this is an abstract painting, you can just use your imagination to blow it in whatever direction you feel like. Since I'm doing outdoor, this hand pump is really useful because it's very handy to use outside. If it was hair dryer or some other heat gun or something, then I would have to do it inside the whole house. So if you want to get soft edges, you add alcohol and then you blow it from towards the center of the paper, so that way you get soft edges. So I'll let you watch this video and then I'll come back again on how to do the gold leaf and other things. So now let's add some embellishments here. I'm using tacky glue and applying with a brush on areas where you want to add glitter or gold leaf. And then I will be pasting this gold leaf or glitter onto the glue. So I'm adding this glitter. You could add any type of glitter that you have or any type that you like. I got this glitter from the art store. Just sprinkle it and press it with your finger. And this step is totally optional actually. If you do not like this gold or glitter, you can totally skip it. But I like shimmering and shiny painting, so that's why I may add this embellishments always to my abstract painting. But it's totally up to you. And this is the mixed gold leaf flakes that I got from art store. It has a mix of copper, brass, gold and all sorts of different shiny varieties of gold leaf, which I'm just sprinkling and pressing it with my finger. And make sure after you do all that, and then you brush off the excess gold leaf or glitter from the paper by just shaking it off. Now let's make some doodle with a fine tip black pen. I'm using Micron 005 black pen to add some fine doodles. This is just totally random. You can make any designs that you like. So I will let you watch this video completely and I'll stop talking. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel because I post videos almost every single day. And I would appreciate if you could please share with your friends also. And regarding this painting, once it's completely dry, I would apply acrylic sealer or something to seal the entire glitter, gold leaf and other things, so it won't lose the shine later. Thank you again for watching. I'll let you watch my video until I finish this painting.